Hello guys, this tutorial is from the VR Manager and part of Oculus Quest native project, and today I want to explain how you can easily change the particle line color. I will show you what I mean. When we will start, we see this like white color line, and I will show you what I mean when I will choose the right hand. We have this line and how we can change easily the color of this line. We need to go to the assets, particles, open this particle, and inside we need to choose initial color, open the start color distribution, and here we can click on this white color and set the new color. What we need just for simple test, it's just green. I save, close this guy, and now we have green line. Great. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.